Let us do a sum from combinations where we need a table to show all the options. Okay, let's start. 9 different fruit pies are to be divided between 3 people so that each person gets an odd number of pies. Find the number of ways this can be done. Given are 9 pies, you need to divide them into 3 people. So let us say A, B and C. Okay. Now the condition that you should always satisfy is each should receive an odd number. Each should receive an odd number of pies. Clear with the question? Okay. Now it will be very helpful if I write in the table form. Since I get multiple options, I am making a table. Okay. Let us start now. 1 is an odd number. Let us say 1 pie has been given to A. And here also let us say I have given 1 to B. So 1 plus 1, 2. So here it has to be 7. All are receiving odd. This condition is satisfied. Let us go to the next condition. Let us say 1 is fixed here. I increase this 1 to 2. 2 is an even, so no. Increase it to 3. When it is 3, 1 plus 3, 4. So this has to be 5. All are odd. My condition is satisfied. Clear? Always check whether your condition is satisfied or not. Now, again 1 is fixed. Increase it to 4. No, it's an even number. So increase it to 5. So 1 plus 5, 6. So it has to be 3. Only then the count is 9. All are odd. My condition is met. Next. Let us say 1. I cannot increase it to 6 because it's an even. So increase it to 7. 1 plus 7, 8. So it has to be 1. Only then the count is 9. All are odd. My condition is met. Okay. Next. Let us say 1. I cannot increase it to 8. I cannot increase it to 9 as well since there are only 9 pies. So all the options with 1 given to A are done. Okay. Let us increase this 1 to 2 now. Did you understand? Can I increase it to 2? No, because 2 is an even number. So I will increase it to 3. Now, let us say 1 is given to B. Then 3 plus 1, 4. Then this has to be 5. My condition is satisfied since all are odd. Next, 3 is fixed here. Let us say I increase this 1 to 2. Can I increase? No, it will be wrong since 2 is an even. I increase it to 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Here it has to be 3. Then only the count will be 9. All are odd. My condition is met. So this is correct. Now next. 3 is fixed here. I cannot increase this 3 to 4 because 4 is an even. Let us say I increased it to 5. 3 plus 5, 8. So this has to be 1. So all are odd. My condition is met. Next, 3 is here. I cannot increase it to 6. So let us say I increased it to 7. 3 plus 7 exceeding 9. So 7 is wrong. So all the conditions with 3 are done. Now, let us increase it to, can I increase it to 4? No, since 4 is an even number. So let us increase it to 5. And here, let us say I have given 1 to B. So 5 plus 1, 6. So here it has to be 3. Then only the count will be 9. Each received odd. So my condition is met. Next. Let us say 5. I cannot increase this to 2 because 2 is an even. Let us say I increased it to 3. So 5 plus 3, 8 and here 1. Then only the total is 9. Each is odd, my condition is met. Next, I cannot make it 4 here, let us say I made it 5. 5 plus 5, 10. It's exceeding our 9 pi. So, from that we realized options with 5 are done. Now, I cannot increase this 5 to 6 since 6 is an even number. So, let us say I increased it to 7. Then 1. 1 I have given it to B. Then 7 plus 1, 8, it has to be 1. Only then the count is 9. Each is odd, my condition is met. I don't get any other option satisfying the condition. Did you understand? Only these are the options that you get. Clear? They take some time, but if you follow a specific order, like how I followed here. I fixed 1 here and I wrote all the options. Next, I fixed 3 and I wrote all the options. Next, I fixed 5 and all the options. Next, I fixed 7. If you go in an organized way, you will not miss any option. If you randomly select, some or the other option will be left. Okay. That's why I increase the values randomly. I increase the values in a proper organized way. So I am sure that now no other option is left out. Clear? Increase in a proper organized way so that no option is left out. Okay. Good. Now let us write for each. Earlier there were 9. From 9 I need to give 1 to A. So from 9 selecting 1 can be done in 9C1 ways. Now from 9 1 is gone, so left out is 8. 8 I need to select 1. That can be done in 8C1 ways. Next, from 8 1 is gone, left out is 7. These 7 are given to C, that can be done in 7C7 ways. Okay. Since all the 3 needs to happen at once, so it's into between them. Okay, next. From 9, I need to give 1 to A. That can be selected in 9C1 ways. Same. 1 is gone, so left out is 8. From 8, selecting 3 is 8C3. 8 minus 3, 5. The 5 is given to C in 5C5 ways. All needs to happen, so it's into between them. Next, from 9, 1 needs to be given to A, that can be done in 9C1 ways. Now 9 minus 1, 8. 8 needs, from 8 you need to select 5, that can be done in 8C5 ways. 8 minus 5, 3 given to C in 3C3 ways. All needs to happen, so it's into between them. Okay, next. From 9 you need to give 1 to A. So selecting 1 from 9 can be done in 9C1 ways. Now 9 minus 1, 8, you need to select 7. That can be done in 8C7. 8 minus 7, 1. 1 given to C in 1C1 ways. Okay. Clear? Okay, next. From 9, you need to give 3 to A. That can be selected in 9C3 ways. 9 minus 3, 6. 6. From 6, you need to select 1 and give to B. That can be done in 6C1. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 given to C in 5C5 ways. All needs to happen, so it's into between them. Okay, next. From 9, you need to select 3 and give it to A. That can be done in 9C3 ways. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6. From 6, you need to select 3 and give it to B. That can be done in 6C3 ways. So 6 minus 3, 3. 3 given to C in 3C3 ways. All needs to happen, so it's into between them. Okay, next. From 9, you need to give 3 to A. That can be done in 9C3. Next, 9 minus 3, 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. From 6 you need to give 5 to B, so 65. And the left out one is given to C in 1C, 1 ways. Did you understand? In a similar way, write for these three options. C. It will be 9C, 5, 4C, 1, 3C, 3. And next 9C, 5, 4C, 3, 1C, 1. Next 9C, 7, 2C1 into 1C1. Clear? We have written for each row. Now, it is either this option or this 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 or. Whenever it is or, we need to put plus. So you need to add all these answers to get the final answer. Add all this, you get the final answer to be 4920. Okay, fine, good. While making a table properly, in an organized way, you write all the options. As I have written, I have gone in an increasing manner. Clear? In that way, you will not miss any option. Once all options are done, write for each row and finally add. That will be the answer.